Hello everyone, welcome back to Want to Step. I hope you all are doing well. So in today's video, I'm gonna guide you through how to edit profile on Bumble. So to get started, open Bumble application on your mobile phone. Now you will be appear with your profile on Bumble. So go ahead and tap on that little logo of your profile picture and then go ahead and tap on edit profile. Now here you can see you can edit several things on your profile. For example, you can add a bio or you can change your bio here, or you can add a question, or you can change your interest. And then there are several things which you want to do while editing your profile. So you can do that just by tapping on edit profile. You can also even change your photo or add a new photos, or you can even get verified. So this is how easily we can edit profile on Bumble. If you found the video to be helpful, please do not forget to subscribe to our channel and also press the notification bell for more updates. I'll see you again in next video. Goodbye till then.